Hello guys, remember to subscribe, like the video and comment down below. The secrets behind today's millionaires, why only a few succeed. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of success and wealth. In today's video, we're going to explore a thought-provoking question: why are only a few people millionaires in today's world? Join us as we uncover the secrets behind their success and discover valuable insights that can inspire and empower us all. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: The Mindset of Success. The journey to becoming a millionaire starts with the right mindset. Successful individuals possess a unique set of attitudes and beliefs that drive them towards their goals. They have an unwavering determination, a strong work ethic, and an ability to persevere through challenges. They see failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, rather than a reason to give up. Developing this mindset is crucial for achieving financial success. Segment 2: Education and Knowledge. Education is a key differentiator among those who become millionaires. Most successful individuals prioritize continuous learning and self-improvement. They invest in their education, whether through formal schooling, mentorship, or self-study. By acquiring knowledge and staying updated with industry trends, they gain a competitive edge that helps them identify lucrative opportunities and make informed decisions. Segment 3: Strategic Planning and Goal Setting. Setting clear goals and creating a strategic plan is another critical aspect of wealth creation. Successful individuals understand the importance of defining their objectives and outlining actionable steps to reach them. They break down big goals into smaller, achievable targets and regularly evaluate their progress. This disciplined approach allows them to stay focused, make adjustments when necessary, and steadily move toward financial success. Segment 4: Embracing Risk and Taking Action. Becoming a millionaire often requires taking calculated risks. Successful individuals are not afraid to step out of their comfort zones and pursue opportunities that others may shy away from. They understand that great rewards often come with inherent risks, and they are willing to face those risks head-on. By taking action and seizing opportunities, they create pathways for wealth creation that others might overlook. Segment 5: Building Networks and Relationships. Networking plays a crucial role in the journey to millionaire status. Successful individuals recognize the power of building strong relationships and strategic networks. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals, mentors, and influencers who can provide guidance, support, and valuable connections. These networks open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and opportunities that accelerate their path to wealth. Segment 6: Persistence and Adaptability. The road to becoming a millionaire is rarely a smooth one. It's marked by ups and downs, obstacles, and unexpected challenges. However, successful individuals possess a remarkable level of persistence and adaptability. They learn from setbacks, pivot when necessary, and keep pushing forward despite adversity. This ability to persevere and adapt to changing circumstances is a key factor in their ultimate success. Segment 7: Financial Management and Investing. One crucial trait among millionaires is their ability to manage their finances effectively. They prioritize saving, budgeting, and investing wisely. They understand the power of compound interest, and make strategic investment decisions that help grow their wealth over time. They seek professional advice when needed and continuously educate themselves on financial matters, ensuring their money works for them. So, why are only a few people millionaires today? The answer lies in a combination of factors: the right mindset, education, strategic planning, taking calculated risks, building networks, persistence, adaptability, and sound financial management. While success is not guaranteed for everyone, these traits and practices can significantly increase the chances of achieving financial freedom and becoming a millionaire. Remember, success is a journey, and it requires consistent effort and dedication. It's essential to understand that the path to wealth is not without its challenges. It demands sacrifices, discipline, and a relentless pursuit of goals. However, it's important to remember that wealth isn't the only measure of success. Happiness, fulfillment, and making a positive impact are equally valuable. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights into why only a few people become millionaires today. If you found this content informative and thought-provoking, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on personal growth, success, and financial literacy. Remember, the power to create the life you desire lies within you. With the right mindset, knowledge, and determination, you can overcome any obstacles and work towards achieving your dreams, whether they involve financial success or personal fulfillment. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, you have the potential to unlock incredible opportunities and create a life of abundance. Stay focused, stay motivated, and never stop reaching for your dreams. Thanks for watching.